Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you data type, which is most important thing in the JavaScript. So here I will cover what is data type, how many data types are there in the JavaScript, and what is the purpose of use. So here you can see I have written already how many data types are there in the JavaScript. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can check it. And there is one data type which is called object, and this object contains three more data types. Okay, so now first of all I will show you what is data type. So in the previous video I have shown the variable. Okay, so if you haven't watched that previous video, please check that video. So now here inside the script tag, if I take one variable, name is a, and in this variable, suppose if I write my channel name, okay, creative developer, this is my channel name. Okay, so here you can see this creative developer I have written inside a string, you can inside a quotation. Okay, so when we write anything inside the quotation, this quotation it can be single quotation or it can be double quotation, that is depend on you. But when you write inside a quotation, so that is not a number. Okay, like here instead of this creative developer, if I write 12 is the number, right? But when we will write inside the quotation, so that time this is not a number. Okay, means whatever we will write inside the quotation, so that will be string. Okay, now this is a string value. So the data type of this a variable now is string. Okay, so this is a variable and this is the data. Okay, and this data type is string, because I already said when we write inside quotation, that is string. Inside quotation we can write a number, but that won't be a number, that time it will be string value. Okay, let's see again another example. So where b, okay, b equals to 10, and here if I write where c equals to like this 12. Okay, now console dot log b plus c. Okay, now you can guess what will be the output. Okay, because see here I have written 10 and here 12. If you are thinking the output will be, okay, output will be like 10 plus 12, so 22. Okay, if you are thinking, because b 10, this is 10, c 12, this is 12, so 10 and 12 if you add it, it shows the output 22. Okay, not 20, sorry, 22. Okay, so here you are wrong. Okay, because I already said this is not a number, this is a string. So now the output will be not 22, the output will be this 10 plus 22, sorry, plus 12. Okay, means like that, the output will be like that. Okay, let's see, I will open the console. See, output is like that. But if I remove the quotation, then it will convert into a number. So that time 10 plus 12, that time it will be output 22. Let's see it again. See, 22. I hope it is clear. So when we write inside a quotation, that convert into string. Okay, and string plus number, it never be add. Okay, I will write here again, string plus number never can add. Okay, hope it is clear. So same way, if I convert this 10 into string, so b plus c, so then the output will be 10 12. Okay, like this again. So now guys, string is completed. I hope you have understand what is string. Now I will tell you what is number. So number, by the way, I have also covered here, but clearly I will show you what is number. So then I will take another variable. So the variable name. And by the way, one thing, variable name you can write anything, okay, which I already covered in my previous video. So now here, if I take any kind of value from 0 to 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. So whatever I will write from 0 to 9, that are number, okay. So those are number, okay. So now hope it is clear. But if you write those value inside quotation, it can be double quotation or it can be single quotation. So then this is not a number. So then this is string value, okay. So whatever value you will write from 0 to 9, or you can say it 1 to 0, 1 to 9, 0, okay. So that is number. So number also I hope clear. If you have any doubt guys, you can write in the comment section. So this is number. Now here the next is big init, okay. So when we called it is number, we can call it integer value also, okay, and the short form of integer is init. So now here it is almost clear, like what is big init based on number also, okay. So now here if I type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, okay. Now if I console dot log the value C, okay, let's see what I will get the output. See, I am getting the output whatever I have written here inside the C value. Now I will increase the length, okay, like this, you can say, means this one same again up to 1 to 90, like that, again like that, okay. Means just if I increase the length. So now here see, now I'm not getting the proper way, right? Here you can see I have written this one, but I'm getting like this. So if you want to see the same thing, so that time it comes big init, this one, okay. So I'll copy this one and here I will paste, and inside the parenthesis you have to pass the value whatever you want to show. So this value I want to show, and the another thing, I will be caps, B will be caps, I will be caps, okay. So here now you will find I will get the proper value right now, okay. Now this one, now you can convert it into this, you can write inside a quotation. You are thinking this is a string value, but here when I have written big init, so that it will convert into a integer, means into a number, okay. So it is same. So now here you can try it inside a document dot write. Let's see what I will get. See, in the actually why I have written inside a document dot write, because when I was writing inside a console, you can see here n, then you are getting confused maybe. So that's why in the console it is not printed full value, okay. That's why it is showing n. So that's why if you want to write in the document dot write, you can do that and it will show the entire value. You can see like that, okay. So now here the another thing. So now here if I write where d equals to, okay, and here same thing if I pass here. So in the document dot write, if I now write C plus D, okay, let's see what I will get. See, it added those two values. Why I'm showing this one? Because here just I want to show, like if you write those number inside a quotation, so I already said that time it convert into a string if you write anything inside quotation. But here when I am writing big init, so that time that string it will convert into a number, okay. Big init means this is converting into a integer, and integer means it is number, okay. So here then it is adding. But if you don't write big init here, if you write like this way, so that time it won't add, See, it is now not adding. Okay, I hope it is clear. So here when we write big init, so this type is called big init. This type is called big init. Okay, so big int. Okay, hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now boolean. Okay, so where I will take one variable, and boolean means there is two value. If you pass inside a variable, that is called boolean value. So here I will write in the comment section, if you pass or if you assign true, either true or false, okay, that is called boolean type. So this type is called boolean. And if you are the beginner and you don't know why I'm writing like this way, I mean double slash and then something, so means those value I don't want to print inside the browser. Okay, if you notice here I have written big in it, but it is not printed, right? So that's why those actually it is called like comment. Okay, if you write using double slash, so those value will not be printed. Okay, so now here where d equals to true, so that is called boolean value. So now here if I write here where c already there equals to false, so this type also boolean. Okay, that also a boolean type. Okay, so boolean also clear. And I will show you the another thing also. After completed all those type, I will show you like how you can check. Here I'm saying this is string value, this is number, this is big in it, but you may confuse, right? Here I'm saying, but how you can check this is string value or not? It may be the number. I'm saying, why you will believe on me, right? So it may be the number. So how you can check it is string or it is number, that also I will show you. Okay, so now here boolean is also completed. Now here the undefined. Okay, for boolean completed. So okay, so now here I will take the another variable f. Okay, so here if I write like this, and if I console dot f, what I will get in the console? See, I'm getting undefined. Why I'm getting undefined? Because I have written variable only, but I haven't defined any value. But if I define any kind of value like number, string, whatever, so that time it will not show undefined. But when I will not define any value, simply if I write one variable name, then it will show as a undefined. You can see. Okay, so this is called undefined. So this is type of undefined, means you haven't defined the value. So undefined also completed. Null. So here where variable name is g, you can pass here one value, or you can define, you can assign, whatever you can say. Okay, here null. So then if you console here console.log and this g, so then it will show the null. See, null means no value. There is two different things, null and blank. Null means I have assigned null value, but if you write like this, so that means you haven't assigned null value, you made this variable blank. Blank means empty. Okay, there is two different things, null and blank. Now sometime like some language, why those are the two different, like because some condition or some scenario, here you have to pass some value. I mean, you cannot make this variable empty. Okay, so that time, and there is two scenario. Okay, just understand why the null and why. Suppose here I will take another variable age and I will push it null. So those means same thing, no value assigned, right? But why there is the two different thing, empty and null? because you may the get one condition, like you have to take one variable but you cannot assign any value and you cannot make it empty, right? Means you have to assign something that is not a value. Okay, so that time we pass null. Okay, hope it is clear. So null and blank or empty, whatever you say, so those are the different. Okay, so now this is null type. Okay, so now symbol. So symbol type is very simple, like here where the variable name is g. Okay, and inside this g variable, if you pass any symbol, and the symbol you have to pass inside a quotation. Okay, the symbol can be hashtag, at the rate, percentage, whatever you will pass here, those are the symbol. Okay, so those are symbol. Now object. Okay, so here object means, I'll remove the console. Variable name you can write anything, but sequences I'm writing. So now here object. So if you pass like this, so this is called object. Why object? Okay, so this is variable. Okay, so object is very important thing. Everywhere we use object. Okay, so this is a is the variable. Inside this a I can store one value, but you want to store multiple value, then how you can do it? So that time it comes object. Like here you can write name. Okay, multiple value. Name is creative developer. Okay, and suppose age is 2 years. Okay, so not equals to, you have to write like colon, age is 2. Okay, whatever, but here you can see I can pass multiple value in, but in that time I can pass only one value, but here multiple values. So that is called object. Okay, when we want to pass multiple values, so that time we create variable like this. This is also a variable, this is also a variable. Okay, so but we pass the variable like this, and we can pass multiple values, so that is called object. Okay, this is clear. And now here everything is completed, but now here I will show you these three types. Object contain three types. Okay, so here one is object. Object means this one only. Okay, this is the object, this one only. And here is array. Array means, suppose here I have passed, I will take another variable. Okay, just I will copy that one, and this variable name is suppose j. Okay, here suppose I have passed my details, like my channel name is creative developer and age is 2. But now suppose here I have to pass your details as well. Like suppose this is the website, I'm making a website for teachers or student, or you can say it some panel like for school management. Okay, so in the school there is multiple teacher, multiple student. So multiple teacher means, see, each teacher have some details. Okay, like one teacher, the detail is this one. Okay, and here I will take another variable k, and I will copy that object. Okay, like this way. I have another channel like this one. Okay, this is, so here one year. Okay, like this, whatever. So two details, like, okay, so this is my details and this is suppose another person's details. Okay, but those are two variable. But those two details, if I want to take inside another one variable, then it comes to array. How? This one I will now just, I will enter like this. Okay, so this one, if you write like this, this is called array. Okay, so how you can pass those two? Just simply cut it from here and pass here, and here you have to pass comma, and no need to write another variable, right? just simply like this. So this is when we write inside a square bracket, this is called array, and this is called array object, because inside the array I pass multiple object, right? This is called array object. So here it is very simple, right? When we want to pass multiple values, so that time we can write object, but multiple values for multiple person. Just I am giving simple example, multiple values for multiple person. This is for one person, this is for another person, and the values are multiples, right? So that time we can pass array object. Okay, so this is the array type. Okay, and date type means another type is date, right? So date type means here where k equals to, if you write new date like this way, so you will get today's date. Let's see. So today is Saturday, August 26. So today's date and time I am getting. So this is called date type. Okay. So it is clear. Each type I have covered. Now I told you, like I will show you how you can check the type. Okay. So in the console I will write type of. Okay, this is one method which comes default in JavaScript, type of method, and which variable type you want to check, just you have to pass. So like a, you can pass here a. So see, it is coming string type. Okay, now b is the number I told you. So if you pass here b, so you will get number. Okay, so same way you can check whatever the type you want to check, like e. If I pass, okay, e is the boolean. You can see here e is the boolean type. Okay, so this way you can check. Now I told like how you can check. Now I'll tell you what is the purpose of use. So this string is clear, right? String, when we write one sentence word, so that time string. Number means this is the number. Begin, it means it is clear. Why we write true and false? Okay, now I will show you why we write true and false. So an array object also clear, right? Like the purpose of array and object, those also clear. So now here if I write console dot log, but before console what I will do, just here I will take where l equals to 10, okay, and m equals to 10 also, same value. Okay, now here if I write l double equals to m, what will be the output? So l double equals to, okay, means it will check the same value assign l and for m or not. Okay, so here same value I have assigned, so this will pass true. Let's see, here it is true, but if I pass the different value like here 20 or anything, so then it will pass false. So this true and false we can use for conditional purpose. Okay, so like here suppose if I write l equals to true, okay, now here suppose I have to check one thing, like if l true, then I will show one alert. So here I can write like this way, if l value double equals to true, then I will print anything like console.log and done. Okay, so here see done is printed, but l value if I write here false, so that time it won't print, because only true then it will print done, false no print, right? This condition is not matched. I hope it is clear. But you are thinking here if I write here any string value also like a double a, so this way also I can check double a, if l double equals to double a, then it will print done, so that time also printed. But why I will store a string value without any reason, right? So that's why boolean value, okay, true and we can check like this way, true. Okay, and another thing which is most important thing, like this true you have to write without quotation. If you write inside a quotation, so that is different. Now it is converted as a string, that is not a boolean value, right? So here you have to write like this. So boolean value concept is clear. Now I will, everything is clear I hope, because data type showing time I told the use as well. Now the undefined only. Here undefined means I can store multiple values. Okay, those I will remove. Multiple, I can create multiple variable. Okay, like l, m, n. Okay, means at the variable defined time I haven't assigned any values. Okay, but later I can assign l equals to 20. So this time this is the undefined. Okay, so here we can write, we can define some variable, and we can check like this way. If l, if l sorry, type of means we can check the variable, right? If type of l double equals to undefined, if l undefined, then I will assign l value is 10, and console dot log l is 10. Okay, see, it is 10, right? Undefined means within a quotation. Okay, so now it is 10, but if l is not undefined means l value already declared here 20. So that time l is not undefined, right? So this condition will match. So this way you can check and you can use the type multiple purpose. Okay, but this is very important thing, you have to learn the type. I hope guys it is clear, and if you have enjoyed this video, so please like this video. If you like this video, then this video will reach to other person. Okay, and it will help for everyone. And you can subscribe my channel for learning the JavaScript.